Welcome to the Tune Project. Today I'll be teaching you the tune Hector the Hero on the fiddle, so stay tuned. If you end up enjoying this video and finding it to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up below, and if you're not yet subscribed to the Tune Project, I do post videos just like this one here regularly, so be sure to hit that subscribe button along with the bell so that you never miss when I post a new video. As always, the timestamps will be listed below if you'd like to skip around, and you can always adjust the speed in your video settings. And if you're interested in going beyond the basics with this tune, definitely check out the extended tutorial where I show you how to play the version of the tune you heard just a minute ago with some added ornaments. Now grab your fiddle and let's get into it. Okay, so let's get into this first phrase. This tune is a waltz, which means we're in 3/4 time and we're in the key of G major. The first phrase goes like this. Alright, so we're starting on the A string and we do go down to the D string and up to the E string. Now it's totally up to you whether you use an open E or a 4th finger E for that note so that you have one less hurdle with the bow. I like to play it as an open E because I feel that it just sounds a little brighter and makes the melody sound a little different in that spot, but it really is all up to your preference. Here is our second phrase. We're starting on the D string again with those two pickup notes, G and A. Okay, and then moving into this third phrase, again, we're going to start with those same pickup notes, and we have a very similar rhythm pattern, that long, short, long rhythm. Okay, so the rhythm pattern continues until the very last couple of notes where we suddenly have a short, long rhythm pattern. And then here's our last phrase of the A part. So starting on an open E, and then we have that long sustained G, 3rd finger on the D string at the end. So the form of this tune is A-A-B-B, which means that we would go back and play that A part one more time. And now that you've learned that whole A part, let's go ahead and play it together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now let's move into this B part. We're starting with our 1st finger B on the A string with a couple of pickup notes. Okay, so as you can hopefully hear, we're continuing with the same rhythm pattern, just the notes are slightly different. We have more going on with the E string for this section. Here's our second phrase of the B part. Okay, ending on that nice long sustained open A, and then we're moving on to our 3rd phrase, again starting on 1st finger B. Ending on that slightly different rhythm like we talked about earlier in the A section, and that was a G on the E string. And then moving on to this last phrase of the B part, we're starting on open E, and we're going to gradually descend to G on the D string. So now that you've learned the whole tune, let's go ahead and play that B part together at a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Well, congratulations for learning Hector the Hero with me today. It's a beautiful Scottish tune, and I really hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to join us for the extended tutorial where I show you how to incorporate some ornaments into this tune, then join us on Patreon, and as I said, the link is in the description box below. And if you learn best with sheet music, I do have the sheet music arrangement of this tune on my website, so feel free to check that out if you would like to. Again, the link is in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy practicing. Many of the tunes that I teach here on the Tune Project are selected by my Patreon members, so if you'd like to have a say in the tunes that are featured on this channel, consider joining us on Patreon.